Hi guys, it's Dr. Candace and Dr. Max from APM Sports Chiropractic. Today we're going to go over some treatment or exercises that we use in our office a lot for rotator cuff injuries.
So the rotator cuff is something that is, people come in a lot of times, they're not sure what's going on. A lot of people don't realize the rotator cuff is made up of a bunch of muscles, not just one muscle. So there's different muscles that can be injured in the rotator cuff. So it's not as simple of a treatment or diagnosis as people might seem.
Yeah, so one of the things we do in our office is crossover symmetry, and what that is banded exercises that go through specific movements to help activate and strengthen the rotator cuff specifically. This is a great exercise for pitchers to help with our pitching, swimmers, golfers. We see anybody with any shoulder pain, it helps with your performance, but it also is going to help with any pain you may be experiencing.
Another thing we like to use on patients is rock tape. So rock tape is something that helps just gives people an extra bit of stability that they might not feel comfortable with as going throughout the day, or if they're at practice, things like that. So the rock tape actually just helps lift the skin, get a bit of blood flow in there, helps just give you the extra little bit of stability that you might be missing.
Yeah, another thing with rock tape too is that because the tape's on your skin, if you're trying to get certain muscles to activate that necessarily aren't, they're kind of just shut off and not firing the way they should, rock tape can help actually get those kind of to turn back on and start having your shoulder just function more normal. And another treatment we also do is your thoracic spine, which is your mid-spine manipulation. So adjusting those areas help with shoulder mobility, because if your mid-thoracic spine isn't moving through the range of motion like it should, it's going to impede on that shoulder range of motion. And we also adjust the shoulders too.
Yep. So yeah, if you have any questions about the rotator cuff and which muscle you might have actually injured, things like that, don't be afraid to hit us up at APM or comment below.